Hi everyone, here's my quick and easy recipe for simple, delicious kalbi. Perfect to cook in a pan, barbecue, or broil in your oven. So let's get cooking.
Rinse 2 pounds of short ribs and soak for 30 minutes.
So add 1/3 cup of lemon lime soda to 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of scallions, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Just mix that all up, mix, mix, mix. Okay, so now add your short ribs to a freezer gallon bag. Give your marinade a couple of swirls, add it into the bag, take all of the air out. You're gonna refrigerate that. All right, now let's just garnish with some scallions and some toasted sesame seeds. And there you go.